Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back for another video. Super pumped. Got the new wheels, got the tires installed yesterday. I didn't film any of that. Assumed you guys didn't really care about seeing some tires put on some rims. But either way, guys, the tires are now on the rims. So let's take a look. Boom. So they're still a little bit dirty. The tires, that is, and the wheels, I guess. But here they are. Now this isn't, these are the back, so this is the 245 on the 9.5, which honestly I'm a little bit disappointed because I was hoping there'd be a little bit of stretch, and there's literally none at all. And yeah, so if we look at the Subaru, it has the same, I'll go to the front here where it's the sun, it has the same tire and everything, and I don't know if you guys can really tell, but there's definitely a slight stretch, nothing crazy, but that's what I was really hoping for these. And yeah, it just didn't happen that way, so we're gonna have to get new tires for the back, but for now, let's just throw them on and see what they look like. In the rears here, I have adjusted the aftermarket camber arms I have. These are actually 240 SX camber arms, they're stance. I actually had to adjust them basically back to the factory specs. So all the camber is now out. As you can see on my coil over here, I have quite a bit of room to go. These are nowhere near maxed out in the back. So definitely a lot of adjustment to go in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, how rolled and or pulled the fenders are back there, but hopefully we won't have any rubbing with this tire being a little bit bigger than I wanted, but either way, let's check it out. Alright guys, I think it looks pretty good. So we fixed the camber in the back. Now, obviously, I still need to tweak it a little bit. You know, I need some different size tires as well as, you know, tweaking some little things. But overall, it looks. I'm looking at it right now. It looks pretty good. I'm looking at least the front. It looks pretty good. So I'm happy so far. Yep. All right. Let's check it out. Boom. So we got the front on. So what she looks like. So overall pretty good. The fronts are lowered all the way on the coilovers, so yeah, we're gonna need a bigger tire there just to fill in the gap a little bit. But these are the same tires that I had on the other wheels, by the way. So, yep, it looks pretty good. You can see here, the wheels turn slightly, but it's basically flush. These are 5 millimeters less aggressive than the other ones. Check out the other fronts. So yeah, we got the fronts on, guys. So I think what we are going to do here is gonna throw the backs on real quick, make sure that they fit. Actually, we're just gonna go for a test ride. We're gonna make sure they don't rub, and we're gonna get some cinematic footage for you guys. So we got the back on. It definitely is a little bit meatier than I wanted. Now, obviously, the car is still in the air here, but overall, I think it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be close. These are definitely too big, you know, for tires in the back, but it looks pretty good. I think it's gonna be close. Hopefully it doesn't rub, or else I'm gonna have to adjust the camber again. But yep. So without further ado, let me try to get it in the shade or sun here. Without further ado, let's go for a, we'll put the other one on, lower it down, let's go for a test drive, check it out, hopefully it doesn't rub, and yep, let's go.
Now we have first trouble. A square.
Garbage.
So guys, there she is with the new wheels set up. Now just a few things I want to go over about this setup. Couldn't go as low as I wanted. This is about as low as I can go here without rubbing. You know, these are rolled and pulled pretty far out already, so I can't go any lower than that without the tire rubbing. So what I really need in the back is probably a 225, maybe a 235. As soon as I get that on there, I should be able to lower the back, you know, maybe another 1/4 inch or so. Maybe even maybe a 1/2 inch, 1/2 to 1/4 inch in the back to really give it the stance I'm looking for. And obviously you can see that I already did take out, you know, the camber. So I don't know how well you guys can see that on camera, but this is basically factory settings. So there's obviously some camber, but if you guys remember what it looked like before, not nearly as much as before. So overall the wheels fit good. It's mainly just the tires that I'm a little disappointed in right now, but still, for what it is right now, I think it still looks pretty good. Obviously, you know, with the new wheels and the tint and the parts that we have coming in the next few days here, the car's gonna look really good. So overall, I'm pretty happy. But if you guys are wondering what the 18 by 9.5 plus 15 offset looks like, well, there you go. And there's not really too much else I can say about them. So in the next day or two, I'm supposed to have some new parts for this coming. I'm not going to tell you what they are yet. You're going to have to tune in to the next episode to see what those are. But it's really going to set the car apart, or I should say, it's really going to make the car look much better. I'll just say that. I'm just going to say that. So don't forget to check out that one next time. So guys, leave a comment below. What do you guys think? Do you guys like them? Do you guys not like them? So far, the few people that have actually seen the car say they like the gold a lot better than the white. I'm obviously, you know, I love white wheels. I just wanted something different. And, you know, obviously that was the main reason why I got these. The other ones in the back, you know, with the 18 by 11 plus 8, it was just too aggressive for me. And I was wearing through tires so fast. So with these, obviously it's a much more normal setup. So it doesn't quite have the flair that the other ones had. But I still think it looks pretty good on the car. And I'm happy overall. So leave a comment in the comment section below. What do you guys think? You guys like the new setup? You want me to go back to the white? Well, I'm not going back to the white. So let me know what you guys think. I'll probably end up leaving them like this for a while. And then maybe probably powder coating them eventually. Some sort of crazy color. Since I have black, I can kind of just do whatever I want. But yep, overall guys, that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to make a quick one, kind of revealing the new look for the car for right now. And that's pretty much it. So guys, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff this summer coming up, you know, especially since I have a kind of a new look going on here. And I appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. I also appreciate that. And yep, we will catch you guys on the next video.